Shh. Best tape measure hack ever.
I want to cut my board in half, 11 3/16. If I don't want to do the math on that, I simply pivot my tape measure, find an even number that I can divide easily, measure at 6, 5 9/16. 5 9/16. Works every time. Is there a reason the hook on the end of this tape measure is loose? You'll notice the first inch on your tape measure is 1/16 of an inch short. They do this intentionally. It's called an adjustable hook. It's precisely 1/16 of an inch thick. This allows for very precise inside and outside measurements whether you're pushing or pulling the tape measure. Here's a helpful way to get accurate inside measurements. Compress hook and lock the tape measure. Check the width on your tape measure. 3 1/4 plus 17 3/4 equals 21. If you don't trust this method, you can measure inside, make a mark, and then measure back the other way to double check. What happens if you start marking in the wrong place? Did you know the tape measure has an eraser on the back of it? Instead of crossing them out and making a mess, you can just erase them quickly. I can't believe I didn't know about this for years. Ever wonder what this slot is for? It's so you can hook onto a nail or a screw. You can also use it to make a radius or a half moon. Pretty handy.